Alright, what's up you guys? In this Thrivecart video review, you're going to figure out what it feels like to have your very own Thrivecart account, because we're going to go ahead and go through the product creation process inside of Thrivecart, how to create your own upsell, how to customize the checkout and upsell checkout pages. You're also going to figure out how to embed a Thrivecart checkout page into your website or as a button if you want, and a lot more things. So that's what we're going to talk about in this Thrivecart video review. There will be timestamps down below, and so let's go ahead and hop onto my computer and talk about Thrivecart. Alright, and really quickly guys, before we start, I want to go over this one quick thing, and that is if you were to go to thrivecart.com right now, you would see this page that we're on, and you'll see a waiting list opt-in form. And this is because Thrivecart is actually moving to a monthly price model, meaning that their lifetime access price, the one-time payment where you will only have to pay once and then you can use Thrivecart forever, is going away very, very soon. And that is why you see this opt-in form here. So actually, they have given us a special offer link that you can click down below. It'll pop up on the screen here, so you can actually get that lifetime access offer, because again, they are moving to a monthly plan price, and I don't want you guys to pay monthly fees because I hate monthly fees. And if you want to hop on that lifetime access price, make sure to click the link down below in the description. With all that being said, let's get started with the review. Okay, so if we go onto my Thrivecart account, you can see here I have my account and my affiliate account, and so one quick thing is that me and my brother have what is called the Pro account. So if we were to go and buy Thrivecart, for example, you're going to get this upsell, and it's called the Thrivecart Pro upgrade. And so me and my brother actually decided to hop on this upgrade, and what it does is that you get, first of all, you get a powerful affiliate center, so you can have affiliates, instant payouts for affiliates and stuff like that. What we really wanted to use it for was to, one, have advanced user management, so me and my brother could use it for our different niches that we're in. We also have client usage rights, so I can actually give someone, like a client of ours, I can give them access to our Thrivecart account and they can log in and have their own products as well. And so these little things we thought was worth it. Again, this is a one-time access price, so that is why you see two users here. So for example, I am a client user here, as you can see. So just wanted to point that out if you guys were wondering about that and buy Thrivecart without the Pro account and see this. You can't do this with just a regular account. We have the Pro account. Just something, again, I wanted to point out. Okay, so right now I'm in the products tab, and so as you can see, we have a couple of prices. Some aren't live, some are, and so we created some dummy products so you guys can see exactly how everything works. So the one product that has been up here forever is my IIFYM book. So that is what I use Thrivecart for, is to host the PDF version of my book on my website. So if we go to edit here, we're going to just go ahead and pretend to create it again. So we'll give it our name. So here's if it fits your macros and the entire book title. We got the URL here. We got the owner. Again, this is if you have the Pro account, you can do this. So if this was, like, for example, for my brother's website or for my website, you can assign a product so they can go ahead and edit it and make sure the payments go to the right account. Again, this is part of the Thrivecart Pro. So just something there, a label, and then obviously it is live right now. When we go to pricing, what you can do is, I've been testing out some different pricing models with Thrivecart. So what you can do that's really cool is you can do 3 different options, for example. So you got the just the book option, which is just the PDF book, the complete edition, which is $49.99, which is the workout program, video lessons, and a bunch of other things, and then the transformation edition. And so we have a bunch of these here. So if we can make one preferred, we can just leave them all as is. And we can even add even more pricing options. So we got one-time fee, subscription, split pay, pay your own price. You can limit the quantities if you want. So that's really cool. Another cool thing is that you can calculate sales tax automatically, and this is with the Pro account, I believe. I'll leave a text field down below if it is not part of the Pro account. I forgot, but that is one cool thing. Then we got bump products. So currently I'm not putting any. I used to, but right now I'm not. It used to be a beginner strength training routine, so we can do that. This is a digital. We can do a physical type as well if you have that there. And then later on in the checkout process, we can go ahead and customize that. Next, we go to processors. So I'll blur this out, but you can do Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. You got authorized.net there, and then also if you have the pro account, you can assign the correct account. So if this was my brother's product or a client's product, I can assign where the payments go to, which account they go to, which is also really cool. Affiliates, if you do have affiliates, you can set this up really quick. There's some instructions for affiliates, which I have not used personally. I think my brother has, but I haven't. But there are support articles that walk you through the entire process if you want to set up affiliates and everything like that. And also, again, if you are on the pro plan for the, you get instant payouts for affiliates and a better affiliate program. So that is also something in the pro plan as well. Fulfillment, so you just put your support email here. You can show what happens after they purchase. So you can send them to a specific URL, add them to your membership site, display their total invoice. And these have to do with integrations for the membership site. So if you had that, this would be where you have Teachable or wish list or whatever. This is what you would do there. Put that back. We're gonna go next. All right, and now we're at my favorite part about Thrivecart, their new page builder for their checkout pages. So all the other old reviews on YouTube have been showing their old checkout pages, which are now called their legacy checkout pages, which are still there. But now we have the new carts. As you can see here, there's two little options. So the new carts, we still have the standard. We got the sales cart, embeddable cart, and the pop-up cart. And what we can do, let's just choose the standard. We can design it. Now, before we do that, one cool thing is that if you already have a product that has a cart that you've already worked on a lot and you just want to copy the design, you can do that here. You can import a design from somebody else that somebody shared in the Facebook community, which is a very great Facebook group, I must say. They're one of the few Facebook groups that actually help other people out, especially the creator of Thrivecart. He always is on there. You can share your own design. So if you want to share your success page, your checkout page, funnel pages to somebody on the Facebook group, or you can just share it to the community, you can do that as well. Submit design to the community gallery. Again, a lot of people share their checkout pages on the Thrivecart Facebook page, which you get access to when you buy it. So if we were to launch the editor here, right now I'm actually testing out Teachable's checkout page, and so that's why this is all over the place. I haven't really touched this Thrivecart checkout page. I'm just doing a small test. This is what it looks like, or what it used to look like. And so right here on the left, we have our page options. So we have a boxed page or a full page like that. I can have the sidebar position on the right or the left, as you can see there. I can have a multi-step cart, so they can continue to step 2, which is right here, or they can do a single step where they can do pay on the same price. They don't have to leave or press step 2 to continue. We got the colors here, which we can change. So I can change this sidebar color if I wanted to. We can change the colors there. We can change the font here. We can show section titles. So as you can see, if I was to turn this off, this contact information would go away. Same with the choose a pricing option. Cool. So on the right here, we have our display options. So this is what it would look like on a tablet or mobile, as you can see. And then we have our desktop view. Now, what's really cool is that this drag and drop editor is really nice. So I can add an image right here if I wanted to. Let's say this image right here, for example, I can just plop that in there. And then over here on the left is our options. So I can adjust the padding from the top. I can adjust the image size. I can align it. So this is really cool. There's 1,000 possibilities, millions of possibilities that you can do with this. You got a countdown timer. We got more bullet points over here. We got testimonials over here. And there's different options that they have over here. So for example, I can do any of these 6 options, as you can see right here. And then down here, as you can see, we have our bump offer that we created earlier. So we have this special one-time offer here. We can actually turn that off if we wanted to. We could turn off the body text. We can even turn off the image if we wanted to. Really cool. We got the border size here. We got the border color. We have a dotted line, solid line, dashed line. We can do a checkbox or a toggle. So this is the checkbox. This is the toggle. You can change the color of the text box or the toggle, as you see here. So let's go ahead and just change that back. You can change the image size. This is just really cool in my opinion. a lot of checkout page editors don't allow you to do this, or at least the lousy ones don't allow you to do this. Again, all of this is available in Thrivecart for a one-time fee. You do not have to pay monthly for this, you guys. This is all just one-time fee. Anyway, so also, as you can see here, the pricing option, this is what we created earlier, remember? So there's 3 options. We got just the book, the complete edition, which they can choose, or the transformation edition. So again, this is an auto-populated area that depends on what you chose or what you created in the pricing section of the process creation part. Also, what you can do is you can actually edit the success page. So whatever you want, you can put a video here if you wanted to. You can make them feel better about their purchase. You can do it more testimonials here. And this is the success page. You can download the PDF invoice, contact support, and put whatever you want here. You can change the text. And then let's keep going. So we got the tracking information here. So you can add Facebook pixels, the Google Analytics, you got custom tracking code here. So these are all things that, like, if you want to find out how to set it up, there's some good videos online. That's how I figured it out. So you can check that out on your own. Behavior. So this one's really cool as well. So I use ConvertKit. You can check out our ConvertKit review down below in the description also. So you can do like when a main product is purchased, when a main product is refunded, when the cart is abandoned, all of these options, when the bump offer is purchased or refunded, you can add them to ConvertKit or whatever your integrations are. You can add them to an existing tag or a sequence, and you can actually do this for any of your pricing options or specific pricing options. So if this was only for the complete edition, then I could have different rules, and I could do different rules for all the different pricing options there as well. So this is a very powerful tool, very powerful feature that I love about Thrivecart as well. Okay, so what's also really cool is that once you're done, you can actually just view the checkout. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, it's not optimized or anything, but this is what it looks like. If I do this, it gets added to the plan right here, and then the price changes depending on which option I get. Now, what I'm going to do here really quick is show you what it looked like if it was embedded into a page. So what we can do is go back to products, this little duplicate sign, so we can do that. So IFIM test, we're going to save and get that URL. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to checkout, but this time we're going to do an embeddable checkout cart. We're not going to optimize this or anything, but we're just going to do a single step checkout page. All right, and so what I did is I embedded it actually straight into this page right here, as you can see. So what you do is, instead of going with a button, and how do you want to embed your cart with a button, which you can do, and you can like change the color of it and everything. If you wanted to, you can change the text, check this out. Instead, what I did is I went straight into the page. So I copied this HTML code, posted it up in here in Elementor, and this is what it looks like. This is just a regular page. I've found that the embedding is a little slow. It's not as fast as I would like it to be, so just something to note. Let's try it with a button here really quick. So I can copy this embed code, and then any page builder, you don't have to use Elementor, but any page builder should be able to add HTML. So just do that, and then if we do this, check this out, it'll pop up the page. And that is how you add or embed your cart into your page or as a button. All right, lastly, what we're going to do is talk about the upsell process. So if you go to any of your products and you go to funnels, you can edit a funnel and you can configure your upsells and downsells. So what you can do is you can add any upsells up to 5. So let's just say I want a custom workout plan and a custom meal plan. And you can edit the actual upsell page here with the same checkout editor that you had with the regular checkout page editor. So that's the same editor. And so we're just going to save these. And just to note, you have to create these upsells in advance. So what you would do is create an upsell here, and digital or physical, create a new upsell. And it's pretty much the same type of steps that you took to create an actual product. You have fulfillments, the behavior, and then later on in the funnel section, you can actually edit the upsell page here. You just create it in the upsell section, and then you can edit the upsell page here. And so if we were to save this sales funnel, and so to show you guys what the upsell process actually looks like, I actually changed the checkout page, the dummy checkout page, back into a regular just checkout page just to show you what the upsell process looks like. And this is in test mode, so I can nothing I do here is going to actually charge me. So I'm going to put a dummy name here. So C Pinedo Thrivecart, C Pinedo Thrivecart at gmail.com. We're going to put a special one-time offer. We're going to add that. We're going to go big and do complete edition. We're going to change, we can copy the card number here, and then you can put any date that is past what we're currently at. So I can do 04/22/222, for example. And we're going to complete the order here. I do not want to save this. Okay, and so this is a sample upsell page. Again, I can customize this however I want. We can do yes, upgrade my order now, or no thanks, please do not add this. So let's do yes to my upgrade order, and then this will process, and then it'll take me to the second upsell, and then let's just say no to that. And so right now it should charge me only for the three things: the bump offer, the main product, and the upsell. And if we did this right, yep. So we got the main product, the bump offer, and then one of the upsells. And then this is what it looks like. That's exactly what an upsell page process looks like: a product with 2 upsells, a bump offer, and just regular checkout page product. All right, you guys. And so again, that's pretty much it. There's a lot more I can talk about. We could talk about A/B tests. We can talk about adding coupons. We can talk about subscriptions. But right now, all you really need to know is how to create a product, put upsells, how to do downsells, how to create the checkout page and everything like that, which is really what Thrivecart is made for. Again, right now it is on waitlist. You cannot actually buy it. However, we do have that special lifetime access link down below in the description. Right now, again, they are moving to a monthly plan price. So if you wanted to buy it, you will have to pay monthly plan when they release it. So again, check that out. It is a one-time fee. Again, you get the bump offers, one-click upsells. You can embed the cart. You have a 2-step cart, video carts. You have the rules. You have so much stuff here that Thrivecart, again, you don't have to pay monthly for. And we also did the pro plan just because we thought it was worth it. Again, no monthly fees. This is a one-time access, lifetime access fee. I think it's completely worth it. So you never have to pay for those dirty monthly fees ever again. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe, ask any questions in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.